Hello everyone, this is another Fosterman's video and this one's going to be about the Notion journal because we get so many people coming in and asking how can I get this Notion journal, yada yada yada. There's just a bunch of questions on it, so I thought I'd give a quick rundown. It's going to be a very short video but very informative. So uh, what you want to do is head over to our Discord. So our Discord is here, and when you join the Discord you will see, if you actually go to the trading help, there's the journal right there. So you just go click that, and then it'll bring you straight to the page, and you just press duplicate, and then it goes onto your own Notion. So that's how you get it, first of all. Second point is how do you use it to the full effect where you should be using the journal. So uh, once you get it, it'll look just like this. Trading view tickers and stuff, these are all, you can all change these yourselves, but those ones are just like the standard ones. We've got the clocks here of New York time, London time, and Asia, each session pretty much. Um, so a lot of questions about the bias builder template. So we actually do a daily bias builder Monday to Friday, usually a London bias builder. So you could do any session though. So you could do London, New York, close, or Asia. Uh, I like to do all the sessions, get a bias for the overall session, see what's kind of working, where's it going to run to, all that sort of stuff. And you can do it for each asset. So let's say you're doing it for gold, or you're doing it for Euro USD, whatever. Um, so this is the bias builder, and it's pretty much you just choose the news, narrow. That actually rhymes. Choose the news. Negative session points control. You can be like, yes, there is London and Asia above current session. Um, so you could like work like this, and you just select whatever. So you do your analysis on the charts, and then you come back over to your bias builder. You do this, and it keeps you straight for the rest of the day. Um, so that's how you do the bias builder. Then you got your profit and loss. So this one's actually pretty neat. I like this one. So you would go here, and let's say today's date, June or August 2nd. Let's say it was a Sunday. I actually do today's date, which is a Wednesday. Gain and loss. Let's say you made 1%, and your gain in that was $100, and you took one trade. Okay, and then you go to P&L view, which is very nice. It'll come up here, but before you actually do that, you want to click here. It's this little open side, and you just want to click profit. Okay, and what that'll do is it'll give you a nice view. So there you can see, let's just say for example this was all 100% real, whatever. You actually profit nicely on Wednesdays, and you profit nicely on Fridays. Things like that, and then it shows like the day, the percent you made, how many trades you took. It's just an overall nice view. So that's the profit and loss. And you got prop firms. So this gives you a full list of every single prop firm there is that we've actually encountered anyway. And it wasn't actually me that built this. It was someone else in the group that sent me it over. So, but I've checked out most of the prop firms, and they all look like this. This is all 100%. So you got like FTMOs, you got the 5%ers, you got the funded trader, and the programs they offer, the cost, how much, uh, target profits, and time limits, all that sort of stuff. So, that's pretty neat. And then here's kind of where this is more your personal stuff. So here's this, I like to call this like this top part's like the trading stuff, and then up here is like down here is like your personal stuff. So your psychology, your day-to-day living, stuff like that. Like even if you didn't trade, you could just select all this and just delete it all, and you could just have these sort of things, and it would still benefit you. But there's actually one or two. There's a few trading things here, but the trading Q&A is really neat. So this is like a Q&A that you give yourself, and it'll tell you, you know. So let's just say, for example, we got the purple section. The fixed range tool will help with what in a range. And then you figure out, you get the answer. It will help you with finding out where in that range you will most likely reject from. So then you use that, and you remember it, you take a mental note, you go and practice on the chart, and then next week you do the exact same purple. So you do the color, oh, I done purple again. How many did you get correct out of the purple section? So on and so on, until you just know straight away that the fixed range helps you with finding out where to trade from in a range. So it's really, really handy doing the trading Q&A. Winning versus losing trades, got all these sort of things. You got archives, goals, task list. So you put down your tasks, so like watch a stream, or 2 times slides, and then you go to completed. So let's say you completed that, boom, it'll move and it'll go straight into completed. Another very handy part of the journal. You got these inspirational quotes. So these are really handy, but you could just put in your own quotes that you really like, that'll solidify you into making you a better trader in and out, because if you can get just any bit of motivation that'll help you and push you to the next level of trading, you might as well take that instead of holding back and not really getting much from, a journal. Like some people's journals are just black, like plain like that, and it's just like, I won today, and that's just their journal. I won today, I lost today. They might put in the date, stuff like this. It's not really a journal, but this here is like fully thought out, well-rounded journal that will help you. You've got it here. So these are the journals here in itself. So kind of like you got your profit and loss. I like these. So these really help is because let's say we go to the all-in-one journal, and today is August, so we'll go the August journal, and you can see here statistics for week 1 from Monday to Friday, week 2 from Monday to Friday, week 3, week 4, and then you've got the overall for each week. And this will tell you, so you got the total winners, total losers, max win, your max loss, your average win, your average loss, your max win drawdown, your max lose drawdown. You got your longs, your shorts, and you just enter all your stats here. So what week, what day, what session, what position, what time frame, what entry price, exit price, confluence. You can choose a few confluences. What take profit did it hit? Did it hit a 0.51? So let's just say, well, if it hit 1.5, then obviously these are going to be ticked. The take profit run, would it have mattered? All these sorts of things that you could just enter all these stats. So, and this is pretty much the same. So, this is the all-in-one journal, but you could do certain ones for certain things. So let's say you're wanting to test like crypto or commodity stocks, forex or indices. Then there you go. But let's say you're like, okay, I just want an all-in-one journal that tracks my whole entire portfolio. That's that. Yeah, you got YouTube notes. So if you see a YouTube video, surprise, surprise, this is where you're probably watching that. So you would take notes on this YouTube. So you could turn around and say, you know, download Fosterman's Notion journal. Really cool channel. Shameless plug. I'm not going to write that, actually, it's too cringe. But you get the point here. And when you download this, you'll get all this for free. So this is all free. Most people would actually charge for this sort of stuff, but I don't really like the thought of charging something that I didn't put any money into this. I didn't put any. It's just time. So you're really just paying. Well, you're getting my time for free, which is a plus on anyone's list. But yeah, so you got everything here that you need. You've pretty much got. Obviously my favorite ones here would be the bias builder and the profit. That's the main ones I use. And then I just, if I'm testing or whatever, I'll use the all-in-one journals and stuff. And let's say you're like, oh geez, I've already used most of this journal for testing. All you just do is you can just post it right into your archive, and it'll archive it. So, and you can just duplicate it. So you just go duplicate, and then you've got an extra forex what do you call these folders, and then you put that used forex folder into the archive, and you could name it something else. You'd be like backtest for X, Y, and Z. I backtested gold, this strategy, and then you've got that sitting there. You go, oh yeah, geez, there's my old backtest. Let me go look at that. So, but yeah, this is pretty much it. We've also got this, which is real handy. So let's say you're wanting to trade, and obviously trading takes time. So you wouldn't expect results within the first 2 weeks of trading. That's unrealistic. Unless you're gambling, then when you're gambling you can win and you can lose, but to actually trade and make money in the markets, like it's a process. So but we offer an affiliate program to where you sign people up, you get paid. We also have job opportunities for like sales representatives. Oh, my watch. So we have like jobs for like sales representatives, like which is remote. It's really good. Choose your own hours, stuff like that. Which so it's got everything here, everything you would need. And this is in the Discord, so you can get that for free. I will put it in the link in the description. But to get into our Discord, you just go here to our website, fostermans.com. You go to pricing, and you can just sign up for free. These are optional, but you don't need this for the Notion template. This is free right here. So sign up, and yeah, and that's pretty much it for the Notion journal. I'll not make this video longer than it should be. But yeah, thanks for watching.